Hello and welcome to today's question of the day from the actual IPMAT Indore 2024 QA MCQ section. Today's question that we have is a pretty straightforward question that could have easily given you 4 marks, without much of a time that it would take. The question was from the permutations and combinations chapter. So if you read this question and if you are able to recall the concept involved, you could have solved this question in less than a minute also. The question was based on the number of non-negative integral solutions of an equation, right? So here in the question we were given x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 equals 50, where x1, x2, x3, x4 are only integers, but further x1 is greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1, x2 is greater than or equal to 2, x3 is greater than or equal to 0, and x4 is greater than or equal to 0. So if you look at it carefully, these are the number of non-negative integral solutions with the variation that x1 is further even greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1, x2 is at least 2, right? So whenever you have values being greater than or equal to numbers which are greater than 0, you assign them those minimum values and find out the non-negative integral solutions. These variations you would have done in your preparation of your permutations, combinations, number of solutions of equations, right? So here I'll use x1 as 1 plus a, x2 as, because x2 the minimum value is 2, I'll already assign it 2 plus some new variable, dummy variable b, plus x3 plus x4 equal to 50. 1 and 2 go on the other side, so you get the equation as a plus b plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 47. And the required solutions of the original equation with the given conditions would be the number of non-negative integral solutions of this equation, a plus b plus x3 plus x4 equal to 47. So therefore, number of non-negative integral solutions or number of solutions with the given conditions are nothing but n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1, where n is the total, r is the number of variables. So that will be 47 plus 4, 51 minus 1, that is 50, c, r minus 1, that will be 4 minus 1, that will be 3. So the answer is 50C3, and we just have to do the calculation. So 50 into 49 into 48. 50C3 is calculated quickly this way. 3 numbers in the numerator and 3 numbers in the denominator, but the 3 numbers would be from 1. So 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3 is 6. 6 goes 8 times here. 50 into 8, 400. 400 into 49. So 400 into 50 would have been 400 into 50 would have been 400 into 50 would have been 2 lakhs. 400 into 50 would have been 20,000 and one multiple less. So basically minus 400. Therefore, our answer would have been 20,000 minus 400, that is 19,600. And hence the correct answer to this question is nothing but option C. So the question, if you understand carefully, it was very conceptual, and if you had the understanding of this concept, you could have solved it in less than a minute. This was a clear type A question and it could have easily fetched you 4 marks in the difficult section that the IPMAT Indore 2024 QA MCQ section was. It wasn't the easiest ones, okay? Historically, in the last 2-3 years, IPMAT Indore 2024 had one of the more challenging QA MCQ sections, and the cutoffs had also reduced, and all students had got 4 grace marks, and even then the cutoffs were 35. So in such a paper, if you find such a question, you should grab it with both hands and solve it immediately to get your 4 marks. So I hope this video has helped you, and stay tuned to our channel for more such questions of the day, and I wish you all the best in your IPMAT preparation.